This video tutorial is a courtesy of the UMC Visa Support Services. Now you can apply for the Indian visa fully online. You do not need to mail your documents to the nearest consulate. You will fill out the forms and pay for your visa online. You will receive your confirmation of payment and confirmation of application by email. Print them and take them with you when you travel. To start, access the official website www.in.ckgs.us/visa. This is the first page you will see when you access the website. Close any window that eventually pops up. Select e-visa in the Superior tab, fill out the form, and click Proceed. You don't need to do anything on this page, just click Proceed and move on. Please fill out the form carefully. The India system is case sensitive. Your next set of questions depend on the answers you provide, so each person can have a different experience. Your answers are recorded, and once you click Proceed, you cannot change them. So please read them carefully before you click Proceed. On this page, you will be able to choose your payment option. Please choose online payment since you're applying for an e-visa. Inform your best phone number and your best email address because both the payment and the application confirmations will be sent to the email you inform here. This is where you make your payment. You will need to enter your credit card details here. I cannot proceed beyond this page, so please follow the instructions of the system hereafter. I would like to remind you to print the confirmations and take them with you. Don't forget to also take your passport that must be valid for at least 6 months after your trip and have 2 blank pages. Your hotel confirmation letter and any other travel document you may have, such as insurance cards or spontaneous vaccination cards. Contact me if you have any questions, and have a blessed trip.